Don't let limited space cramp your gardening style. Even the tiniest of spaces can become a lush, green sanctuary with a bit of creativity and effort. You can create a thriving garden even in the smallest of urban dwellings. With the right approach, your urban oasis can flourish. Whether you have a balcony, a patio, or just a sunny windowsill, there are plenty of innovative techniques to bring your green dreams to life. From vertical gardens to hanging baskets, the possibilities are endless. Small space gardening is about embracing creativity and maximizing every inch. Think outside the box and use every available surface. It's about finding unique solutions that fit your lifestyle and surroundings. Repurposed containers and tiered planters can add charm and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, there's a world of possibilities waiting to be explored. Start small and watch your garden grow. This guide will equip you with practical tips and tricks to transform your small urban space into a green haven. Learn how to make the most of your tools and supplies. Get ready to discover the joys of fresh herbs, vibrant flowers, and homegrown vegetables, all within arm's reach. Your urban garden adventure starts now. In small space gardening, every inch counts. It's about being resourceful and thinking beyond traditional gardening methods. Vertical gardening is your best friend, allowing you to grow upwards and maximize your space. Consider compact planters that fit neatly on railings, windowsills, or even steps. Look for unexpected places to tuck in your plants, a narrow strip along a wall, a sunny corner, or even the space beneath a window. Don't be afraid to get creative. Repurpose old crates, pallets, or even gutters into unique and functional planters. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Vertical gardening is a game changer for small spaces, allowing you to grow a surprising amount of food or flowers in a limited area. Trellises are a classic choice, providing support for climbing plants like cucumbers, beans, and tomatoes. Wall-mounted planters are another fantastic option, adding a touch of greenery to bare walls. Stackable planters offer versatility, allowing you to create tiered gardens filled with herbs, strawberries, or leafy greens. Don't forget about hanging baskets. They're perfect for trailing plants like strawberries, cherry tomatoes, or petunias, adding a splash of color and charm to any space. Even the smallest balcony can be transformed into a thriving outdoor oasis, a personal retreat where you can unwind and connect with nature. Railing planters are perfect for maximizing space, providing a home for herbs, flowers, or even compact vegetables. They add a splash of color and fragrance, making your balcony inviting. Consider building a compact raised bed if you have a bit more room. This allows for deeper soil, which is ideal for growing root vegetables and larger plants. Rolling planters offer versatility, allowing you to move your plants around to follow the sun. This flexibility ensures that your plants get the optimal amount of light throughout the day. Stackable pots are another great option, creating a tiered effect while maximizing floor space. They are perfect for growing a variety of plants in a small area. Choose furniture that doubles as planters or incorporates built-in gardening space. This multifunctional approach saves space and adds a unique touch to your outdoor area. With a little planning and creativity, you can create a balcony garden that's both beautiful and productive. Enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own plants and the tranquility of your green oasis. No outdoor space? No problem. Windowsill gardening brings the outdoors in, allowing you to enjoy the pleasures of gardening year-round. Window boxes are a classic choice, perfect for growing herbs, flowers, or even small vegetables. For a more high-tech approach, explore indoor hydroponic systems. These self-contained units provide optimal growing conditions for your plants, regardless of the weather outside. Grow lights can supplement natural sunlight, ensuring your plants thrive even during darker months. If space is limited, mason jar gardens are a charming and low-maintenance option for growing herbs or small plants on your windowsill. Starting your small space gardening journey can feel overwhelming, but a few simple tips can set you on the path to success. With a bit of planning and the right approach, you can create a thriving garden even in the smallest of spaces. First and foremost, choose the right plants. Selecting plants that are suited to your environment and space will make a big difference. Opt for compact varieties that are well suited to container gardening. These plants are designed to thrive in smaller spaces and will make your gardening experience more manageable. Consider lightweight containers made from plastic, fiberglass, or fabric to make moving your plants easier. These materials are not only durable, but also help in maintaining the right soil conditions. Pay attention to sunlight requirements and choose a location that provides adequate light for your chosen plants. Most plants need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily to thrive. Water wisely, ensuring your plants get enough moisture without becoming waterlogged. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so find a balance. Start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain confidence. This approach allows you to learn and adapt without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the most important ingredient in any garden is love and attention. Your plants will flourish with the care and dedication you provide.